Artificial intelligence is everywhere, like a clever twist in a mystery novel, quietly changing the game. From movie recommendations to how your phone organizes photos, AI is the unseen 12th man in our digital lives. But what's the real magic, especially with language? Enter large language models, or LLMs. Imagine a weather forecaster predicting the next day's weather based on years of data. LLMs do this with words. They've read vast libraries, learning patterns and context, not by thinking but by spotting what comes next. Like a chef tasting the dish as they cook, LLMs read sentences and predict the next word using probability and data. The result? Conversations that feel natural, as if you're chatting with someone who's read everything. That's the power of LLMs, pattern recognition at a scale humans can't match. How do LLMs predict words? Think of a word association game. The artist steps back to admire their you'd say masterpiece, not sandwich. LLMs do the same, but with math. They calculate the most likely next word, one step at a time, building sentences that flow naturally. Context matters. Talk about a fast-paced action movie, and the language is quick and dynamic. Switch to a documentary, and it's more measured and thoughtful. This adaptability makes LLMs versatile, but they're not perfect. Sometimes, like a chef misjudging a spice, they get it wrong, producing hallucinations. Remember, LLMs don't know facts, they predict what sounds right based on patterns. They're brilliant mimics, not true thinkers. That's why their answers can be impressive or occasionally off the mark. There are star players just like in any competition. GPT from OpenAI is the all-rounder. It writes, answers questions, and even codes. Claude by Anthropic is the reliable team player focused on being helpful, safe, and ethical. Gemini from Google is the multi-format star handling text, images, audio, and video. Each model has its strengths. Some are creative, others precise. Their rivalry drives rapid innovation, making these tools better for everyone. From search engines to writing assistants, LLMs are becoming part of our daily digital toolkit. The competition benefits us all, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Where do LLMs get their knowledge? It's all about training data, their practice sessions. They learn from massive libraries of books, articles, and conversations, absorbing language patterns. Quality matters. Biased or poor data leads to flawed responses, so teams carefully curate what LLMs learn. Well-trained LLMs are already making an impact, helping write emails, code, and answer questions online. They're indispensable for researchers, writers, and customer support. But remember, LLMs are tools, not magicians. They predict, not understand. From GPT to Gemini, these models are transforming how we interact with information. They're the new players in the digital world, and their journey is just beginning.